Countdown to finish starts now.
Dang! Wet sanded and primed the quarter panels last night. Got the weather stripping out. I'm probably just gonna pressure wash the whole back section of this car. Should probably get this car outside. We'll go halfway out the garage so we still have shade. So the plan is to final sand everything, take off that molding. I'm just gonna spray the door jambs. Figured out how to take off this molding. There's little holes, access holes, just to get to that molding. A lot of work, but I keep saying we're already here, and we're already here. Gotta take off the gas door. I'm supposed to fix these dang fenders. If I keep going at it, I won't finish at this rate, so we can always come back to that. So I gutted the whole interior because it's probably gonna get wet. To take off this molding, we gotta get access through here. Don't lose the nut. Place it somewhere in there. It's loose. Yeah, look at that. That is a lot of work. Let's do the other side. Had to clean out the back because it's all gonna get wet and gross. The drain plug for this is out. We'll take out these two drain plugs. It's gonna get wet and wild. Should probably take out these seat belts too. Okay, got the seat belts out. In my head, I was like, I'm ready to wet sand this whole thing, pressure wash it and spray it. That was a good idea, but still got to deal with this mess. The sun is at my front wheel. Let's see how long this takes. Just like that. The sun is starting to surpass my front wheel. I think while this is drying, I can sand the other side of the car. This should be dry enough, yeah. It's now making scratches. Let's blend this back to normal. For some reason, there's a dent here, and I don't remember this dent. Definitely start seeing the body line. We're gonna keep sanding until we hit some metal here. Just to get this sanded all correctly, I think I'm gonna cut this piece. This is looking pretty decent, actually. I'm starting to hit some metal here. Okay, yeah, we're gonna grab this. Racing the sun here. The sun is halfway through my door. Okay, let's see if this will give us the profile that we need. That worked pretty good. I was able to get this line. This thing's actually doing pretty good work. It's making quick work of this. I figure this is good enough. Took the door off, and I'm just gonna park this thing in the center. Get a quick before of the inside, how gross it is in here. Just so we can go to the track and make it gross again. Washing it with no doors. More or less clean. I just need to dry the inside and outside. And actually the clouds have rolled in, so it's actually cooled down. It's not 98 degrees. What do you think? Should I clean this off? I think I need to. We're just gonna get the leaf blower to help dry out the inside of the car. Only thing I want to do is paint this bare tire well and maybe the back panel, just because it's kind of rusting. I think we're gonna do it, guys. I think we're actually gonna paint the car today. We got a mask unless we want overspray all over. Okay, so I taped up the back just like this so I could get the inner jam here, and then I can also get the spare tire well and the back side of the taillights. I'm wearing this jumpsuit for 2 reasons. Mosquitoes are biting me and I'm about to paint the car. Okay, ready to paint. I got my suit and my Crocs. Let's get it done. First thin coat. I already got the drop cloth stuck onto the quarter panel. Good job. Don't worry about that fender. It's a very light spray. Very light. It's just the first coat, kind of like a dust coat. Okay, I'm having a wardrobe malfunction. It's all right. Not getting bit by mosquitoes. Maybe they don't like paint. Okay, definitely need to do a fatter coat because you can see all the sanding lines from that 220. So, oh yeah. Then you can see the tiger stripes. Ran out of paint on the roof. Okay, here's the plan of attack. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna do one fat coat here. I'm gonna work this edge here. Gonna go all the way until the trunk lid, this dividing line, and then I'm gonna go back, do fat coat all the way to the windshield, all the way back, pushing towards the other side of the car. I'm gonna go to this side of the car, continue the wet line back to back, all the way to the windshield, all the way to the trunk lid, all the way to the windshield, all the way to the trunk lid, back, all the way down, up, all the way. Yeah, might as well cover all this. All the way this line, then up, then down, then up, then kind of a. All right, let's finish this thing. I'm gonna try my best not to get any drips. I'm just gonna do a nice fat coat. Okay, it's looking better, looking like orange peel. It's hard for me to see the light when I sprayed. It's hard to find the line. That actually came out pretty good. Should have turned on this light. I tried to follow that plan, but I couldn't see the line, so I turned on that light. And That's looking decent. That's looking orange peel. No drips though. And that's looking pretty orange peel. The roof is also orange peel. I completely forgot to even sand that little edge, but whatever, dude. It's done. Not too shabby, Rustoleum. Not too shabby. Can't wait for this to dry so I can put it together. So this morning I wet sanded the roof. Actually, I wet sanded the whole car, more or less. Just because it was real bad orange peel. I had that chip there, it's fine. I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. And then I had that piece of Bondo sticking out. I mean, not the best work, but hey, look at that. Looks like a body line again. Does something funny there, but you know what? It's a drifter car. I figure the best ratio is 50-50, and it laid on pretty smooth. And painted the gas cap. It's finally done. Just gotta put it back together.